Hi guys! I decided to do a very quick little makeup tutorial. Great for a Zoom call or FaceTime call. I partnered up with Chantecaille. I love their products, so let's get started. So the first product I'm using is their Pure Rose Water Spray. I love a good spray. First of all, this one is so great. It smells so good. I love using a spray when I get out of the shower or right before I start my makeup routine. It opens up my pores and it's super refreshing, and it's a great step right before your skincare. The next product I'm using is the Bio Lifting Serum. It plumps your face, it's also lifting, and I love using it because it also takes care of redness. I have so much redness in my skin and it really calms my skin down. So that's the first step. Alright, the next product is the Radiant Elixir. I love this because it makes my skin look super smooth and radiant after applying, but it also gives me a beautiful glow. And I love how these two serums already make my skin feel. I think if you do a really nice prep before makeup and if you take care of your skin, then you don't need that much makeup. Alright, so for foundation, I'm going to use the Chantecaille Future Skin. This is a beautiful foundation. I have had this in my makeup kit, in my pro kit for so many years. I love it because, first of all, the color is gorgeous. It like totally matches my skin. I love that it cancels out the redness in my skin, but it also still looks super natural. Like, I don't like when you can see that I'm wearing foundation. I just really want to take care of the redness and make everything look really kind of even. And this is the Chantecaille Eye Quartet in Warm. I love this palette. It's so beautiful. It also matches the necklace I'm wearing. It's also a hummingbird. I am obsessed with hummingbirds. And all I did is I used the upper left shade and I used it like with my finger all over my eyelid, and it creates this gorgeous little shimmer. Alright, the next product I'm using is the Chantecaille Luster Glide in Jasper. It's an eye pencil and it's a beautiful kind of like, I would say it's like a purpley brown, and I'm using it not on top of my eye. I'm gonna put this into my upper waterline. So I'm just sort of like wiggling the pencil in between my lashes, my upper waterline. Okay, next step is mascara. This here is the Fox Sills Longest Lash Mascara. I just curled my lashes off camera and I'm just gonna apply 1 or 2 coats. Next, I'm using the Philanthropic Cheek in Shade Grace. I don't know if you can see, but it has this adorable little turtle pressed into the powder. And the color is really nice. It's like the perfect like peachy pinky shade with a little bit of shimmer. So I'm just using a nice big fluffy brush and I'm applying it onto the apples of my cheeks, just for a little bit of flush. Alright, to finish this look, I'm using Lip Chic in Coral Belle. I love this. The color is so perfect and this feels so hydrating on my lips. And the finish is just gorgeous. It has a little bit of a glossy feeling, but very hydrating, very comfortable on my lip. And especially if I know that I have to be talking a lot on the phone, or if I have to be in a Zoom call, I don't want anything too sticky or too glossy on my lips. So this texture is amazing. I love it. And that's it. Super easy, under 5 minutes. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.